I'm so sorry, buddy. Absolutely. But first, let's get our spirits up with some jitter juice over an open fire. Some Cafe Bustelo, the good stuff. Mm-hmm. There you go, buddy. Now, let's go on an adventure to where the creek narrows and the wildflowers start. To one of my favorite places that I can't wait to show you all. Where the cedars start to stack and the banks lined with hairy puccoon, white trillium, and American dog violet. Plenty of hosts for our butterfly buddies. Come on, boy. Holy wa, look how clear the water is. Now, let's rest our legs and put up the old hammock. Perfect. Good boy. One of my favorite places. So quiet, but so loud at the same time. Thanks for tagging along, everyone. Have a great day, and please enjoy yourself.